I'm gonna show y'all how I made 100K just on my side hustle.
$1 million ain't enough. I need 200 mil. Gotta feed my wife and kid. 100 racks and dust. Shit ain't light, but it ain't much. Drop the top coronavirus, double on the Rover truck. The type of money if they hand and get your Brody touch. Feds.
What's up, y'all? Back with another vlog. Today's vlog's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna show y'all how I made 100K on my side hustle. So right now we at Copart picking up a couple cars. As you can see right here, picking up a couple cars. Yeah, we're buying fix-it-flips. You know what I'm saying? Fix it up, flip it, make the money. Never married to the car. Yeah, that's the only downfall of the game. Like on a busy day like this, you got a full lot. And then, you know, the cars come out fast, but man, look, we gotta wait 2 hours just to get the title. Like, you gotta schedule an appointment just to go in and get the title and everything. It's the only downfall, but other than that, easy money. Before I even got the car, I already got the parts on standby. So once we get back, we're gonna throw some parts on and post it up. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put you on a little free game right here. If you look at this car right here, buy it now is at $1450. I'm trying to get it for like less than that, so I put my bid in at $1,000. These cars go for like $4,000 to $5,000 on Facebook Market. So for instance, I only need a bumper and a fender and a headlight. You'll probably spend like $1,000 total. If you buy that buy it now price, after fees and everything, it'll be like $2,500. You spend $3,500. You sell the car for $5K. It's like $1,500 right there. Free game. Yeah, so it's two different trucks. It's got attitude. You're talking about you getting one or two? It's two different trucks here. Another car that I bought that's on the fleet, you know what I'm saying? This car about to be for sale too is a GMC Sierra 2500 heavy duty. What else a car? The tractor girl? The tractor lady, man, she just so angry. I guess she having a bad day at work. It's like 90 degrees out here. She ain't got no AC in her tractor, so she having a bad day, so she can't record. Yeah, this is another one. Right here, this car about to be for sale. It's a GMC 2500. This one for sale is a 2006 Honda Accord. Saying fully loaded, got backup camera. They got big exhaust, so that means it's fast. Yeah, black interior, this shit's ready to go. I'm about to put a fender and a bumper on and we're ready to go. I'm gonna see y'all later when we leave out of here.
Road truck, the type of money if they hand and get your Brody touch. Feds riding, know we up.
Alright, y'all, we just touched down to the garage. But unload these things. Yeah, basically get started to working on them. As you can see, yeah, we got both of the cars here, the Accord and the truck. This is cool. Nah, nigga, look at the camber though.
Oh, this it straightens out when you drive.
No, but look at the thread, bro. The metal came out.
Yeah, I shit.
Ooh. Yo. Yeah, you gotta get them in place easy. That's a good trip. Strobe light on? Yes, sir. Strobe light on. Come on, man. It's a good work truck. I get the idea. Yo, step on the brakes in there, Jim. It might still slide there. So I'm still rolling. Yeah, man, like I said, man, we move fast. We already at APO to pick up some parts for the car. We're gonna pick up some parts and we're gonna show y'all. And we can't even vlog in there, so I can't even show y'all the process of me buying everything, but I can show you the process of me picking up stuff. It's for the Accord, man. We about to try to get the fender because they didn't have it in here today, so we might have to go to the yard to get that. But trying to get both of them painted all at once. We're gonna throw them in the car. This bumper, look at this bumper. Cover all that. Bumper is only $76. That's how cheap parts is. Like, you know what I mean? You want to lock it in. I'll probably start a class or something. Like, you're saying $200 to tune in. Get it while it's cheap. We in the trenches with it, man. You know, trenches always got the best food. Look, right here, chicken and beef stick. Trenches. Yeah, back at the shop with the new Accord bumper. I'm going to show y'all a little unboxing video. I'm like, damn, why it took so long to open the fucking bag? Yeah, like I said, brand new bumper. I got some more parts coming from one of my guys that work at a junkyard. He hooked me up, gave me a bumper and headlight for this truck. He's getting me a fender for the Accord. And after that, after we get the fender and just everything that complete the Honda Accord and everything complete this, the only thing we left to do, put everything on and go get the bumper and fender painted.
2 hours later. Day 2.
What's up, y'all? Starting the day a little late today. As you can see, it's the next day. Yeah, we started the day a little late because, you know, we had to make another Copart run. Picked up this, picked up that today right there. You know, inventory getting a little crazy. Like I said, man, this is my side hustle, but yeah, as you can see, like inventory getting bigger. You know what I'm saying? If anybody ever need a car, let me know. There's the truck right there, Jeep, another truck. We got an MDX right here currently getting worked on. Just put a whole new front clip on there. And yeah, we get this Toyota Camry right here getting worked on. Picking up parts, getting dropped off every day.
Later.
Look, man, drop one off, pick one up. Last one y'all seen, we dropped this off. Man, quick job. My man knocked it out in what, 15 hours. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's it.
It's called the Skizzy Express.
Skizzy Express, Panda Express, everything Express. Come on, man. Like I said, hoopty doopty, but whoever need an A to B car, let me know. Backup camera, as you can see, very, very low mileage. Like, you know what I mean? It looked like 240, but it's really 24,000 miles, really low. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Whoever need a car, get at me. I'm just joking, y'all. But yeah, whoever need an A to B car, yeah, this is they got a 240,000 miles. Probably only asking 2,500, 3,000 bucks. I don't know. Saying just got the floor front end painted. Now the car is all one color, nice. Like I said, good A to B car. First time, first car. So whatever. Look, drives really good. You say I'll show you on a test run. This is the only car that we got a driver review on test drive.
beat the odds, I'm tryna blend in. Hit that boy on me.
But yeah, like I said, that Honda, y'all see me wrapped up, got it sold, made a quick $1,000. Yeah, like I said, my goal is to sell 2 cars a week, and if I can make $1,000, 52 weeks times 2,000, that's 100,000 a year. The year right here is proof of, you know, me selling the Honda Accord, sort of to make a quick $1,000. Yeah, if y'all wanna continue following on my journey of me selling used cars, you know, salvage cars, clean title cars, reconstructed, I sell it all. Yeah, you can follow my Instagram page, I'll put it down right here. And this shit, if y'all wanna buy a car, y'all looking for a car, hit me up. I can find all cars for you. Like, I can try my best to find a car that fits your budget. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap this up here. See y'all next time.